Hey, how's it going, everyone? We got to see what this is. Hey, it's my new Wyze Scale. Now, this one is a replacement. I had one and get this box out of the way. And it started acting up. You would step on it and it would tell your weight, but then your weight would go blank and a little battery would show up, flashing. And I thought, what in the world is that? And so I sent Wyze an email and said I had this problem going on. And this young lady named Glezelle, I hope I said it right, uh, contacted me back, within a minute or two, and apologized for any problems I was having, this and that. And I told them that I had actually changed batteries to new batteries. I had bought different brands to check it out, and it still did the same thing. And she said she would, you know, to give her all this information, and she listed all the information I needed to give her, and she would check out my account, and see what options I had. And I was expecting them to say, send it in and we'll work on it or something like that. And so I filled out all the options, and I forgot to put my phone number down. And so then I got another email back stating I forgot to put my phone number down. So I sent them my phone number and everything. The second I sent my phone number, another young lady named Kim emailed me and said, your new scale is on the way. We're replacing it. I guess there's not much you can do with a scale, right? I mean, it's not like a computer or something where you can have where you can go in and troubleshoot it. And I guess I'd done most of the troubleshooting that they tell you to do. I don't know. I just never had it happen. And these things, from what I understand, uh, hardly ever have problems. But of course, it's me, so if it's going to happen, it's going to happen to me. That's a guarantee. But I really was surprised. And this was only 2 days ago. And I was actually thinking that they were going to tell me to send it back with the packaging and this and that and this and that, and which I have. Which it comes with the batteries and everything. I love this scale because, trust me, it's it's well worth it. And some people had problems with the scale when they bought it because it was reading their weight, but it wasn't reading their body mass and all that. And I read up on that. If it's not reading your body mass and stuff, what you need to do is wipe the soles of your feet, your bare feet, and with water, just a clean rag. And what that does, it makes contact, and so so I guess the electronics or whatever you want to call it can actually read your body. And I started doing that, and I had no problem whatsoever. But yeah, she was really apologetic that I had a problem and thanked me for troubleshooting and everything. And I'm always impressed with Wyze products. I really am. Because they really do stand behind their products. And I thought that I was going to have to send my old one back. And when they sent me the tracking information, we're talking just minutes, people. All this took me just minutes to get the information and everything. So I put in my, I sent in my problem, and within minutes, you know, I got the information back that I needed. Yeah, and see, there's no real way to do anything to this. It's not like you can, there's a button or anything like that. So now I got batteries in it. Okay. Maybe. Don't ever buy a beige floor. This floor is spotless, but it's the way it looks. Hope y'all can be able to see this. I've got extra things on me right now, so it's gonna weigh more than I actually weigh. It's saying 229.4. And it's not going to read anything else because I'm not barefooted. So anyway, that's an update on my Wyze scale. And like I say, I'm really impressed. And my hat's off to Glezelle. I'm going to spell her name just so I get it right. It's Glezelle. And so my hat's off to Wyze products. Once more, they came through. I am just super impressed with them. And I've I think the only other problem I've ever had was I had a Wyze Cam 3, and for some reason it just was not setting up. And I tried everything with a young lady named Terry, and we went through everything. And I told her, I says, I'm doing everything you're saying. And I know how that is, because, it's like sometimes people say they're doing stuff, but they're really not. And so I actually sent her a video showing that I was doing it. And, I didn't need to do that, but according to them, I didn't really need to send a video, but I did. And all of a sudden they sent me a new one. And because they could see that the product was not accepting commands or whatever you want to call it. And they sent me a new one within a couple of days. And I wasn't thinking about it. There was a guy named Kristen who sent me an email saying they were sending me a new one, and they get it right out. Man, they aren't kidding. 2 days. Of course, it's in California, but that's only one state over. But 2 days, that's pretty quick. And he says you can dispose of, and they said the same thing about the scale: dispose of it properly, or get rid of it, or whatever you want to do with it. And he said, but he gave me on the cam. He says, dispose of it properly, or use it as a fake cam. So I'm using it as a fake cam. Nobody knows if it's active or not. And I've got the one that is active, but the one that is not active, you'll see it before you see the one that is active. And they're only like $25 or so. I don't remember what I paid, but it was cheap and well worth it. So anyway, that's a review on Wyze Scale and Wyze products, sort of, kind of. And because I remember all these people, and that's a plus, because they did their jobs and they stand behind their products, and just wonderful, wonderful people. Okay, so I'm gonna let y'all go and think about what kind of, if my back will ease up. I'm getting tired of this pain. If my back will ease up, I can figure out what kind of bread or whatever I'm gonna make tonight and food for dinner. Okay, so y'all have a great day. Talk to y'all later.